Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view your saved password credentials that are being stored on the Chrome mobile app on your Android or iOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser. And you want to go down and select the Settings gear button. And now underneath basics, you want to select where it says password manager. So underneath password manager here, if you had any saved password credentials, they'd be listed right on this page. And if you selected the settings gear button at the bottom over here at the bottom, right, you can have the ability to offer to save passwords as well as auto sign in enabled or disabled. So you can customize those settings right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.